let's talk about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, and I'm looking at the chart, I'm looking at the setup. It looks very, very familiar to CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD, which I made a video on yesterday. So I made a video on CrowdStrike, and I actually got puts, played puts. It was a very, very nice play, and it actually hit the level of support. Now I'm taking a look at Palantir, and it has a very, very nice setup, just like CrowdStrike. So I want to go in very, very in depth on Palantir, on the entry, why I am feeling bearish, an overall price target, stop loss, overall picture, and at the end of the video, I want to take a look at the S&P 500 and the levels for the SPY. So overall, let's get started into this video, and let's start off with the entry. So overall, first of all, we are in a channel. Okay, so we have a very, very nice channel right now. We are in a small uptrend. When we take a look at kind of like a smaller picture. So we have this, very, very nice uptrend, and now we have this support. So we have this major, major level of support and major, major crucial, level of support. Now, the problem is that we have tested this support many, many, many times. And as you guys know, the more times that we actually test the level of support, the weaker it gets. So the best example that I want to give you guys is, you guys eat lasagna. It tastes very nice. The first time you eat lasagna, it tastes very nice. But if you eat it every day for a week, for a month, it will not taste the same, and it will get used up, and you will not like it anymore. So it's the same thing with Palantir and the level of support. We are testing this support many, many times, and we need to break below $9.34. So as you guys can see, again, this is a major level of support. We need to close below this level of support so that we can actually test the support down below. So the entry, I've already entered in on puts for Palantir. I've alerted this on Discord, but my entry is going to be below 9.33, which I've already entered in, but we need to see selling pressure below this level of support, because that is going to be giving us the confirmation. So on the 5-minute, what I would like to do is, when the market opens tomorrow, we need to see selling pressure, and we need to see the pressure to the downside to close below $9.39. So we need to see that coming for Palantir, as well as for the price target. We could see that when we break this level of support, our next level of support is not $8.93. So overall, that is our next level of support, and that is when I'm looking to get out of the trade and close my short position or put position on Palantir. Now, as well as for the stop loss, we just need to be below 9.37, and if I see it struggling, not going below this level of support, it is not going to be looking good with Palantir. So overall, I want to take a look at CrowdStrike, because CrowdStrike is a very, very similar play to Palantir. We have this nice channel, and I'm taking a look at the 5-minute, which I played today, for a very, very nice put play today. And overall, it closed below, it was breaking this level of support, and it caused a major, major, selling pressure, because that was a major level of support. And as I said on my CrowdStrike video, just like Palantir is a hype stock. So once it starts falling down, like look at these candles. We have these drastic, massive red candles and massive red cells, because this stock is a hype stock, and this is a retail stock. So retail traders like the stock. It's a hype stock, Cathy stock. It's also a cheap stock. Now let's take a look at a bigger picture. Okay, let's take a look at a bigger picture for a bit right now over here. So overall, again, we are in a downtrend. We are in a bear market, and this is just a small relief rally. The truth is that we are in a recession. We have companies like Tesla, Shopify, Coinbase laying off workers. We have a lot of concerns for the recession, and companies like this, small companies like Palantir, it's really, really hard to struggle and really hard to survive, kind of like in this fight. And especially with Palantir, it IPO'd on 2020, one of the most hyped years with the market. The whole meme stocks and whatever. But overall, Palantir is a very, very hype stock, and once it starts breaking down, it's gonna fall hard. It's gonna fall very, very hard, and this is why this setup is very, very nice. So overall, hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video. I really, really love this setup. It looks kind of just like CrowdStrike, and again, as long as if we break the support down below. So now let's take a look at the S&P 500, which again is kind of like the top 500 stocks, in the stock market. So let's take a look at the S&P 500. Want to go in, a little bit over, the levels, support, resistance, whatever. So overall, we are sitting at a very, very nice level of support, which is 390. We can see that this was a previous resistance. We broke that resistance, and now it is a level of support. And again, this is a really, really nice level of support. And for the bulls, the bulls need to hold this level of support. So tomorrow, if we see selling pressure, my next price target is 375. Two massive sell candles to 375, because this is a major, major level of support. So if we want, Palantir to drop, we really need the S&P 500 to break 390 at market open. And again, just watch the 5-minute time frame and just see how the market reacts to these levels of support. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys enjoy videos like this, subscribe and leave a like. And if you know a trader that is struggling, any trader on Discord, whatever, send them this video, because again, what kind of YouTuber actually makes these kind of videos and these plays. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you